So here I am in the trailer, first night. Well, actually, it's not the first night. I stayed in it before. I've traveled with it before, so it's not, I don't know, it's just weird staying in the driveway. I had thought about going on a trip and renting somewhere or just boondocking, but I'm going to be doing the remodeling, or not the remodeling, but the redecorating. And I thought, it'd just be easier, do it here at home. If there's something that I need, I just gotta walk out the door and go get it. But as I'm sitting here watching a movie, the cozy place, got my chandelier going, I'll show you in a second. I'm warming up to it, and I'm pretty excited for the rain. That was the biggest reason I wanted to come out here. Here, I'll show you my chandelier. There it is. And the place looks like a bomb went off, because when I decided to do this, which was about, well, I'd been thinking about it for a couple days. And tonight just happened to be the night that here I am. So I just hauled stuff out, had some help, and just started throwing stuff around. There's stuff on the couch, there's stuff on the counter, there's stuff on that counter. It's a mess. Backing up a little bit to a couple days ago, I posted that I'd had surgery on my spine area. Finally got the stitches out, and I'll tell you what, getting those out made the world of difference in my pain level. Those things are horrible. I had 7, 8 stitches on my skin, and then under the skin they did stitches below, and there was, I don't know, 6, 7 in there. So there was stitches underneath and stitches on top. So that's what's going on. This is my first night in here in the driveway. I don't think I've ever slept in my driveway. Started out with some problems. The electric cord, shore power, was not working. All I had was my house batteries. Took about, I don't know, an hour or so of tinkering around with it. And finally I thought, I'm going to run out and check the little button on the plug that's on the house. It's outside. So the light wasn't on. So I pushed the button and poof, I had power. So that was pretty nice. Otherwise, I was just going to use my Jackery for the night and work on it tomorrow when it was daylight. But I don't know, I just started thinking about it. It wasn't the fuses, it wasn't the power cord that's in the RV, the HiLo. So I thought, what could it be? It was baffling. So I decided, after I'd already got cozy and in bed, I thought, I'm just gonna go check that plug. Because there's been times that the power has gone out on something I've got outside, and it's usually been a GFI. It's got a little plug thing or a little button that you push. So I pushed it, the green light came on, and I thought, ooh, I'm in business. So it worked out good. Anywho, I'm going to go back to watching my movie and snuggling up with my chandelier. Let me turn this big light off so you can see it in the dark. There we go. It's so pretty. It looks really bright on camera, but it's not. It's very, very dark in here. Just that little bit of glow. Let's see if I can take this further away. Does that help? No, not really. Oh gosh, it got dark. Hi! Okay, I'm gonna crawl back in bed and watch the rest of my show, and I'll be back in a little while. Bye.